Optimum Mobile makes it easy to monitor your data, minutes, and add-ons. The primary method is the Optimum app, available on iOS and Android. Log in and navigate to the Account tab, then select Plan Details. Here, you'll see a breakdown of your data usage, whether your minutes are unlimited, and any active add-ons like international roaming or hotspot data. You can also check your usage by texting usage to 6111. Remember that your plan resets monthly on your billing date, which you can find under Cycle Summary in the app. This visibility helps you avoid exceeding your data limits and incurring extra charges. Optimum Mobile plans offer unlimited data, but speeds may be throttled after reaching a certain cap, such as 22 gigabytes. This data deprioritization can slow down your connection during peak hours when network congestion is high. You can customize your plan with add-ons to enhance your service. For example, add 10 gigabytes of hotspot data for $5 per month or unlimited international texting for $10. These add-ons auto-renew monthly unless you cancel them. Looking ahead, AI-driven features in the Optimum app are becoming popular, offering personalized plan recommendations based on your usage. Keep an eye out for sustainable options, such as bundled plans with carbon offset credits to support environmental efforts. Staying informed about these trends will help you optimize your Optimum Mobile plan.